get it, it took me a couple of years to figure it out. About fulfillment and taking a less easier route. Cause starting from the bottom is preparation for keeping it up. Embracing your fears if there ain't no way we going around. No resistance, we meander all the way to the south. Flowing like rivers, then collecting the sediment down. With all the minerals that are lessons from figuring out. Long journey from the ocean all the way to the crown. They look at us and I know that they proud. I swim in the waters and in a generation I'll drop. Sheep to the slaughter, accepting somebody's daughter's the mother of my child. My every reason to smile, love of my life. These red hot emojis, I reserve them only for my queen. You won't get it, I rate your lid. It's been a year since I've been sad and lonely now. Ain't no man that's luckier than me. I know this, quite the romantic. Late night phone calls, talking endlessly till she falls asleep while we're talking. I don't hang up immediately. I love to listen to her, she breathing. So thankful I get to be the one that she trusts wholeheartedly. That she trusts, the only one that she loves. I know I'm the only one that she loves. Can't look good love. Oh, te amo que te vi. Qué locura, qué locura, qué locura. Oh, te amo que te vi.